Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by my man PS Watch Faces. Now, if the guy gets down on some analog and some digital watch faces, make sure you check out his lineup. Now, with that being said, let's kick off the review. The name of the watch face is called Bold G Watch Pro. I like the look of this one. It gives me everything that I need in a watch face, especially big bold numbers. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice digital time. It is going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but it's going to be legible. Once the watch face is on, for those of you all who are into exercising, they're going to give you your steps up at the top, calories burned. Also, you're going to get animated seconds and a PM stamp. You get miles walked or ran down at the bottom. You're going to get your date, floors climb, battery info, heart rate. You're going to get everything you can ever want to need out of this watch face. You get your heart rate information as well. You can go to your music player here, so you can play music on your run, which is pretty cool. Get the weather, so you know if you can run today or not. This is not a bad look. The design is also down to earth. Now this watch face is pretty much going to be for the person who's going to be dressing down, super casual. This can also be worn on the weekend depending on what it is you got going on for that day. Now you can go into your step status info with a single tap. Same thing for calories burned, your date information, your heart rate you can go into as well. So this watch face is fully packed with features and conveniences for the user. This is nice. I like the way the hands look. I like the way the tip lights up, and it has a nice second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. Now if I double tap, I can change the color theme of the watch face, and they have quite a few to choose from that you can change to match the outfit that you're going to be wearing for that day. But what do you think, people? I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job on this watch face. Again, he's getting 2 thumbs up in the door. So hit me in the comment section down below. We've got another watch face for you all to check out by PS Watch Faces. Now, if you haven't checked out his lineup, I keep telling you, go check this guy out. Now, the name of the watch face is called G Watch Health. All right, it's a very nice looking watch face, digital and analog. In the AOD mode, yes, it's going to be dimmed down. It's going to help to save on your battery life. When the watch face is on, I like this look. I like the design. I like the box information of the digital time because I can't see. Okay, with that being said, let's take a look at it. Up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate information, weather, get a nice big bold digital time. I like the design of what the time is. Kind of look like your old retro clock. And you come down, you are going to get a PM stamp, your date, day of the week, steps, calories burned, battery info, and you're going to get information on miles walked or ran. You can go into your music player, play your music on your run. You can also go into settings, tweak your watch as you see fit, and you can make a phone call as well. So I thought this was a good look for a digital watch face, different but yet nice. Now this is going to be your dress down, super casual watch face, and yes, you can get away with wearing this over the weekend depending on what it is that you got going on for that day. This is not going to be a bad look so far as digital time is concerned. Now I like this black theme look. It's going to help to save on battery life as well, but you can customize the colors to several different colors. Now before we go there, take a look at the hands. The hands are very stylish. You got a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. This is definitely a good look for a blend of analog and digital. But if I double tap in the middle, I can customize the theme of it. You see how the colors blends into the background as well around the battery, miles walked around, and of course the time. But let's cycle through. Just get an idea what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome watch face. All right, you all, you know the drill. Hit me in the comment section down below. You know I want to know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that being said, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.